Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of the nature. Today, we have an intriguing question that, can a plant die of cancer? Well, get ready to be amazed because we have the answer for you. So, let's get started. Plants are living organisms, just like animals, and can also develop certain abnormal growths that resemble tumors. These plant tumors are commonly referred to as plant cancer. However, there are significant differences between cancer in animals and these tumor-like growths in plants. In this video, we will explore the concept of plant cancer, its causes, and the impact it has on plants. Plants play a vital role in the ecosystem and are known for their ability to undergo various physiological processes. While we often associate cancer with animals, the question arises, can a plant die of cancer? In this video, we will delve into the intriguing world of plant tumors and explore the nature of plant cancer. Understanding plant cancer. Plant cancer, scientifically referred to as crown gall, is characterized by the uncontrolled growth of plant cells around an infection site. This growth is similar to the formation of tumors in animals. However, it is important to note that plant cells are anchored in place by their cell walls, preventing the spread of cancerous growth to other tissues. Causes of plant cancer. Plant tumors can be triggered by various factors. The most common cause of plant cancer is a bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This bacterium infects plants, leading to the development of crown galls. Fungal infections and physical damage can also induce tumor formation in plants. Types of plant tumors. Plant tumors can take different forms depending on the causal agent. Crown galls caused by Agrobacterium tumefaciens are a common type of plant tumor. Fungal infections, such as black knot and azalea knot, can also lead to tumor-like growths in plants. Additionally, certain insects can induce galls, which are excess plant tissues that protect and nourish the insect larvae. The effect of plant tumors. Unlike cancer in animals, plant tumors do not metastasize or spread to distant parts of the plant. The rigid cell walls in plants prevent the migration of cancerous cells, limiting the impact of plant tumors on overall plant health. However, depending on the size and location of the tumor, there may be minor effects on the plant's well-being. The difference between plant and animal oncology. There are fundamental differences between plant and animal oncology. Animals have vital organs that can be severely affected by tumors, while plants lack such organs. As a result, plant tumors do not pose the same level of risk to the overall health of the plant. In animal oncology, treatments often involve surgery and chemotherapy, but in plants, tumors can be repurposed for various uses, such as making coffee tables. Research and treatment. The study of plant cancer is an active area of research. Scientists aim to understand the underlying mechanisms behind tumor formation in plants and develop effective strategies for prevention and treatment. By gaining more insights into the causes and effects of plant tumors, researchers can contribute to the overall well-being of plant life. In conclusion, while plants can develop tumor-like growths known as plant cancer, it is important to recognize the significant differences between plant tumors and cancer in animals. Plant cells are anchored in place by cell walls, preventing the spread of cancerous growth. Plant tumors generally have minor effects on the overall health of the plant. Continued research in this field will enhance our understanding of plant biology and contribute to the preservation of plant life. Here are some questions and their answers in short. Can plant cancer spread to other plants? No, plant cancer does not spread from one plant to another. Plant cells are anchored in place, limiting the growth of tumors to the infected plant. Are all plant tumors caused by infections? No, plant tumors can be triggered by infections, physical damage, and certain insects. Different causal agents can lead to the development of various types of plant tumors. Can plant tumors be harmful to the plant's health? Plant tumors generally have minor effects on the overall health of the plant. However, the size and location of the tumor can influence its impact on the plant. Is there any treatment for plant cancer? Currently, there are no specific treatments for plant cancer. Research in this field aims to develop prevention strategies and further our understanding of plant biology. How do plant tumors differ from animal tumors? Unlike animal tumors, plant tumors do not metastasize or spread to other parts of the plant. Additionally, plants lack vital organs that can be severely affected by tumors, making plant tumors less detrimental to overall plant health. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of plant tumors and their distinct characteristics compared to cancer in animals. While plant cancer exists, the limited spread and impact on overall plant health distinguish it from animal cancer. By understanding plant tumors better, we can appreciate the unique complexities of the plant kingdom and contribute to its conservation and well-being. I hope you have enjoyed our video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a fascinating science update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing discoveries. Thanks for watching.